We, as the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union, have concluded a signing of return to work a formula between ourselves and the government of Kenya, which includes the 47 county governments and the national government. The strike is hereby called off.
I want to tell Kenyans that this situation is regrettable, and as one person has said, we hope it will never happen again in the history of this country.
The document we have signed is return to work agreement that will allow space to negotiate other outstanding issues that will require negotiations between the union and the two levels of government.